Hi everyone, welcome on BitHive channel. Today I will show you how create buy limit order on Binance exchange. If you are not registered on the exchange yet, now is the time to register. I will leave the link in the description under the video. Okay, let's start. Press the button Markets. Then choose Market, Spot, and USDT. Here we are. Let's start to do some trading settings. Choose your trade pair. In my option, it will be BTC USDT. Here you can see a chart of Bitcoin. Choose your comfort price or put the price you have chosen. Alright, now press the button Buy. First, we need be sure that we choose Limit Order. Next step will be putting the price at which we will buy. In my option, I want to buy Bitcoin when the price will be at 42264.89. Then, we need to choose at which amount want to buy. Let's put, for example, 10 USDT and press button Buy. Congratulations, your buy limit order is created. Now waiting till the price goes down and your order will be automatically executed by exchange. So how you can see, it's very simple. Like this video and subscribe on my channel.